As far as rage goes, I don't really experience rage with games. I don't really experience rage. I don't really experience rage. Fuck! Fuck! Bitch! That is right! That is right! No, that is wrong!
Again.
Fuck. I'm not even mad at this point. Shit. 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 Fuck. Not gonna fuck this up. We're not gonna fuck this up. We're not gonna fuck this up. Oh wait, I didn't have a plan there. We're not fucking up! We're not fucking up! Fuck yeah! Okay. I'm back to square fucking one. Fuck me. Shit. Fuck. Shit. 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 Okay. Final fucking leave. Fuck. Fuck. No, 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 no. Fuck. Fuck. It's the most amount of progress I fucking made. No! Oh my god. Are you shitting me? This game is so rage-inducing, Tuna. It's called Getting Over It. And I can't get over shit. I'm gonna move this around real quick, guys. Okay. There's a child up there. Shit! Shit! Fudge! Why did I do that? No, do not set yourself back. Fuck. Fuck.
Laugh and the world laughs with you. Weep.
Fuck me! Fuck. Just gonna Justin yeet. There we go. Fuck. I said yeet and Roger decided to say yote. Shit! The fuck is what? That startled me. Master, why do you request this? Such music?
I stand amid the roar of a surf-tormented shore, grains of the golden sand. How few.
Wow. Damn. It won't go back in.
In the end,
shit!
we only regret the
no!
chances we didn't take.
Fuck! Fuck! Fuck yeah! Reference of when I go to play this game, I now understand why people want to break their controllers and their tables or there's any possessions or belongings they have when it comes to raging over a game. Never before have I raged over a game this much, and I'm only at the beginning. That's the sad part.